before we wrap up, we must talk about, we've got lots of different things that we can point people towards. I'm going to come to this lovely thing. What things can we point people towards? You were going to talk about being mortal. Was that something you had on your list?
Grief is the Thing with Feathers is a beautiful book and slightly kooky story of it's spoken through the eyes of a crow about have you read that?
No.
It's beautiful. It's a bit out there, but it's about a father's grief for his wife.
It's not the piece that's just being, this is my theatre-y knowledge.
It might
going
be.
that it's just being done with Cillian Murphy's doing it, and he's doing something where he's talking about grief as a crow, and I can't imagine that.
Oh, it must be, yeah.
But that's
grief.
Theatre.
Grief is the Thing with Feathers. The Victoria Derbyshire Diaries are really powerful.
Really love Victoria Derbyshire. I've just saying earlier, I just started with her book. It's fantastic because it's so open and honest, and it's in its rawest form, I feel, and you can relate to it so much, and it's fantastic.
It's really helped me as a nurse, that book, because I think that she talks about, she's not comfortable with battling and being a warrior, and she doesn't want that. And I think it's respecting, our terminology, the words we use, and it's very thought provoking. Yeah. I think everyone should read that book.
It's quite calming.
She's
she's so rational.
Yeah, she's very rational, and
she's brilliant. She's really good.
When Breath Becomes Air.
Oh yes,
is also a beautiful book, and I point my people to blogs, in terms of, I think blogs, because they are like reading someone's diary often, it's really personal, and I think that you'll find blogs, certainly like our younger audience will be far more sort of au fait and comfortable with blogging probably than,
Bowel Babe is a brilliant one.
Bowel Babe is a good one. I follow good. Bowel Babe,
What we'll do is we'll collect all of these and we'll make sure that we write them down and put them onto the Trekstock network so that everyone can see in the community. So, I was looking at Jemima, it's fine. We also have got this, this is a great write-up that Sarah has very kindly.
In its rawest form.
Rawest form, you just said that's a brilliant way. So Sarah's written this up for us so that we can, and what we'll do, if that's okay, is we'll get a digital copy and we'll make sure it's sharing, and that's giving. Do you want to explain what it is?
Yeah, I mean, as I said earlier, for me it was, I kind of thought of the terminology, what I wish I'd known, who I could turn to. So it's got information about me, charities in there that can help with, because there's so many charities that can send you on little day trips, which again, it's about living. That's what you want to do. That's what you're having the treatment for. And books.
Girls will remember that.
Yeah, there's a list of books that I've researched and I found, this would be appropriate for that, for bereavement or for chemotherapy treatment, and just books that I've read that I've found useful, and some treatments like Reiki and reflexology and Pilates. Just almost felt like I could have done with that handed to me at the start, just to go away and say, oh, there is help, and rather than having to kind of gather it all yourself, really.
And thank you for that. And as we've said, that there are different things that are available, and it might be a case that trying out some of these, like it might be like, actually, I like that book, don't like that one, but it's all about the fact that there are different ways that makes it accessible.